Welcome back all. So, today we're going to go ahead and perform an update of Angular and a Node. Why are we doing this? Well, during the development of the course, new versions were released and I wanted to update it. But by the time you get to see it, you'll probably see even newer versions as Angular is being developed rapidly. Nevertheless, I wanted to show you how you can update Angular and how you can update Node. What are the procedures for updating them? So let me go ahead and show you. The first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is update Angular. So update of Angular, it doesn't have a specific command where you just type in something and it updates or something like that. Maybe it does, but I didn't find it. Anyway, you go into the package JSON, and let me just find it. Typing karma package JSON. Yep, there we go. So if we scroll down, you will see it says Angular Common, Angular Core. The version is 2.0.0 RC, so release candidate 1. And we are going to modify this JSON file and a few other files, and then we're going to perform the installation. So where are we going to get the modifications for the files? Well, we just open up Firefox and you basically type in Angular quick start, press enter, and open up the very first one from the GitHub. Okay, so now we need to copy a few files here. Where is it again? I'm looking for JSON. Yep, there we go. Okay, so let's scroll down, copy it all, Control C, and here Control A, Control V. Excellent. So now we have copied it over. Let's go ahead and see our modifications. Oh wow, release candidate 4. So our release candidate was 1, and by the time I've reached this point in time with the course, there came to be release candidate 4. Amazing. Anyway, press Ctrl S to save and start moving onwards. So the next file that we need to change is system.js.config.js. So same place, just go back to GitHub, that beautiful place where code resides, and open it up. Go ahead and select it all. And go back here, Control A, Control V, and now we need to make a small modifications here to adapt things to our application. So just type in tmp/. That's it. And there's just one more file which we need to change. That is typings.json. So there we go. This is the one, the fairly short one. Okay, so let's just find it here. There we go. And they've increased it in terms of size. And much thanks to all the contributors that you see here on GitHub for providing this code. This is very nice on their part. Okay, so this is done. Now press Ctrl S to save. And I didn't save this one, so press Ctrl S to save this one. Okay, now open up the CMD and navigate over to the folder where you have Quick Start. So it's desktop. For me, this is my path, so it's, where is it? Let me just type it in. Right. I'm just used to working with a Unix shell, so I just keep on typing in slashes instead of backslashes, which is frustrating, but oh well. Quick Start Master. And now I'm going to go ahead and type in npm install and wait for it. While we wait for it, we can go ahead and begin updating Node. So in order to update Node, just leave this running as it is. So open up Firefox and type in Node. Okay, so Node.js. And this is recommended for most users, 4.4.7 LTS. This is the long-term support version. But as it is, the newer updates to Angular actually require the version 6.3.0, require this version here with the latest features. So let's go ahead. Actually, they don't require 6.3.0, but they require version 5, but I mean, I can't see version 5 anywhere around here, but it doesn't really matter. You can just download 6.3.0. It should be fine. Okay, so just run it and wait. Basically, depending on your computer speed, this might be a longer wait, but apparently not. So just go ahead, and the Node actually finished up as well. The Angular finished up as well. Node is going to happen soon. But before I actually continue, let me just go ahead and show you something here. If I type in node-v, it's version 4.4.4. And now let's go ahead and proceed with the installation. Okay, so next, install, and wait for the installation to finish. Shouldn't take too long. Today, now I need that music when you wait on the phone for somebody to answer. I should get that. Seriously, though. Just for such occasions when something is installing. Removing backup files. Never a good idea, but okay, why not? Maybe it's just removing the old backup files and we'll create new ones probably at a certain point in time. Okay, Node.js has been successfully installed. Let's just go ahead and click on finish, and let's type in node-v. There you go. It's 6.3.0. Okay, so those are all the things that we need to do in terms of updates in order to actually update Node and update Angular. If you want, you can type in npm start as well, just to start it once after the update procedure is done. This is always a good idea to verify that it's working, but ours is actually not working. So I'm gonna need to come back and troubleshoot this problem to see what went wrong, because this is a common thing to occur after an update. Things tend to break. That's why I said it is a good idea to actually type in npm start immediately after the update to verify that you don't have any errors, but you are very likely to actually have errors, and we're gonna attempt to fix them in the follow-up tutorial, and then it should all work out and we can go ahead and proceed with the course then.